going fast.
It's so good. I'm still scared.
All right. Hey guys, it's Aaron.
And Camryn.
And Ahmed and Jack.
All right, we got a new one here now. A second video. All right, so we're on our way to the Corniche, and we got in drive because I don't feel like driving, right? And guess what? Guess what? We have a woman in drive. So I'm really, really excited. I've never seen a woman in drive.
Morocco, they're not good drivers.
Okay, but I'm thinking if she does it for a living, she's gonna be good.
It's so curly right now.
All right, so we're going to the Rabat Corniche. Yalla.
Mommy, my hair is so curly. Look. Mommy, is Morocco and Israel topless?
What?
Is Morocco and Israel topless?
You don't know what's going on right now in Morocco. I know what's going on. So look, you know how Morocco's developing a lot? And they're destroying villages to make buildings. Mommy, I'm not making this. I don't know.
Yeah, but I think a lot of them are ones that weren't legal.
I'm not agreeing with this. They're destroying villages. It's actually
All right, guys, we just got dropped off by our first ever in my life that I've seen a woman in drive. She was amazing. The kids helped me with, obviously, translation. And we will definitely, if we ever see a female, we will definitely get them. We don't take in drive that much, but... All right, so, guys, we are here at the Corniche. It is popping.
Mommy, you know where we're going to take a boat over there to Salé? There is no thingy.
Because I was in a rush. What is this store or something?
Yeah, I don't know where all these people are coming from. There's somebody swimming in there. Actually, there's a lot of people swimming. All right, guys, we have no idea what we're doing, but it looks like the Titanic. It looks, this boat right here, it looks like there's too many people aboard. Like, it's making me think like the Titanic.
There's going to be a lot of people on our boat.
I'll pay extra so it's not overcrowded. But like, they got babies on board. Like, I'm seriously, like, it's reminding me of like Titanic right now. Men and women, women and children first.
Right behind you.
Women and children first,
I ate a
guys.
snail for the first time. We tasted it.
You did?
Yeah, I liked it.
Guys, Camryn is flipping out because she's like scared where to sit. We only have us in here. Us in here. These boats have way more people than 4, and she's flipping out. Like,
I'm too scared.
wait, this isn't even going fast.
It's so good.
I'm still scared. Guys, I went on a faster boat and
Oh wait, I just realized there's no life jackets on this
Yeah,
boat.
exactly, Mommy.
Well, we're just going to swim. It's not crazy.
Is it deep?
No.
Yes. Yes.
We have no life jackets on the boat.
You know, is that champagne?
What? Jack, I mean, it is a tourist.
There's a ladder they can jump off it. Here, Leslie. Okay, we have this.
Mommy, is this Marina Bay?
Mommy.
Yeah, this is Marina.
That's Morocco. This is Mahmoud.
You know Ryan? You see Ryan?
We live in Wifak.
وفاء
Yeah.
مرحبا بكم.
Shukran.
It's here?
No, it's,
What part of it?
I don't know.
Mommy, he said if your phone fell in the water, what would you do?
Jump in.
Actually?
Oh no.
What, it's deep?
All right, so we are in Salé now because we crossed the river. We are in Salé, so we're gonna go check out the marina area over here, and hopefully maybe get some ice cream. I'm in the mood for like something fruity. Yeah. Yeah. All right.
It's like a...
You want corn? Go ask how much.
Can I get one of those airplanes?
No, can you ask how much the corn is?
Please. So I see you. Me and Sarah used to play with those. She had them.
How much are they?
Can I ask?
Yeah.
Sarah had it, and you liked it so much. Oh yeah. I tried to do it.
Yeah, do it. I don't think it's...
No, there.
There.
Where? There or here? I might hit someone
Okay,
there.
if you do it here, it's gonna come.
Yeah, do it this way.
Jack, move.
That was horrible.
I'm really good at it.
He's good at it, Jack.
I know, but I'm like real...
Just go. He does it good.
I hit somebody.
Just do it. Go. Yeah, it was a little better.
A little.
Well, I mean, it did.
I'm gonna do it so far. Mommy,
She got missiled by her own airplane.
you should play
It
football.
went right in her.
You should have played football when you were a kid.
No,
Forward high school.
no,
You didn't.
no. But I was very athletic. I was a very fast runner.
I feel bad for those
Wait, you did
Moroccans.
track?
No, but in gym class, we always had like
Oh, Mommy, those
the
Moroccans are
races.
getting-
What?
The climb.
All right, guys, we're on a mission. I want to find some ice cream. Ah. There's definitely got to be an ice cream place. You can't have like a Corniche like this with the Marina Bay and not have a place that just sells ice cream or gelato.
Swellings. Swellings is just 7.5.
What, in French?
No, it's none here.
Jack, I'm not learning
No,
French.
it's just Sabanos, I'm telling you. I only use Swellings.
We did see Venencia ice, but I wanted to see if there's anything else first before I commit because, you know, there's more.
Samurai.
Oh, Jack knows who that is. Mommy, that's so cool.
Yeah.
Can you maybe take me there one time?
What is it? It's just a cafe?
Cafe. And everything's pink and there's unicorns and stuff.
I know. It's an arcade session.
Wait, what is that? What is Black Box?
It's an arcade in a bar.
That's the cafe. You see it? It's all pink. Oh, look at this. You see it? Look, there's roses everywhere. It's so pretty. Stop touching it. Stop touching it.
I lost the kids. It's been 20 minutes. I really want ice cream. But I'm sitting here watching that. This is what I'm doing, guys. Watch. Down here, let's see what flavor they have. We're not getting cake, we're gonna get ice cream. They have a lot of flavors.
What is that? What's it called?
No blue. Blue will stain your mouth. Oh, I want Cherry Mania.
No.
Cherry Mania.
What is delicious latte? This is only French.
It's coffee. Latte. Camryn, what are you thinking? What are you thinking? All right, guys, I don't recommend this place. 20 dirhams, you get one scoop, and it's not even like a packed scoop. So yeah, this is what happens when you come to the chains. The quality is not as good. Like, we love our place and we fuck. It's so small though for 20 dirhams. 20 dirhams.
Guys, we got 2 scoops of ice cream. 2 flavors for 15.
No, 17. But this is 20 for one small scoop.
Not even 2 flavors.
Yeah.
You regret it?
No, I mean, it's the only place to get ice cream here, so.
Yeah, this place is great.
All right, let's go cross over the ocean again.
Can we still walk there?
All right, let's go walk down there. Let's go.
No, I don't want to play. Yeah, let's walk that.
All right, even though I'm not a fan of like the price and the size, the flavor I got is Cherry Mania, and it's basically cherry and chocolate chips, which is actually such a good flavor combination. I've not had this since I left America. But yeah, cherry, chocolate chip. You guys got... No, we're not trying. Chocolate, and what did you get? He got vanilla and chocolate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is chocolate fudge.
Chocolate fudge.
Fudge is chocolate.
Look.
Parkour.
How did he get on there? Parkour.
Teleported.
I mean, there's no boat next to him. Did he swim?
Teleportation.
How did he get over there?
Jump, run.
No, there's no jumping, Jack.
Jump, no, you go down here, you jump from these.
Yeah, but there's no jumping from the big one to where they're at.
Hollow. Maybe it's not hollow. Look, his pants are wet.
Oh yeah, maybe he has those pants that go big.
Yeah, I think it's shallow.
Look at this view, guys.
Right now, in 1 minute, 2 girls with labubus.
What does that mean?
Right there on her thing.
Are they expensive or are they just rare?
No, they're rare, like really rare.
Wait, what is it?
Wish you good health.
Like lactic saha.
And it means wish you good health.
Yeah.
All right, guys, I just got 5 Darren popcorn on the beach. And now we're going to make our way over to the boats.
And we're gonna play there a little bit.
And we're going to get a boat back over to Rabat.
Yeah, we're gonna play over there a little bit. So I can play with Mario. What?
Perfect picture just to take it. No, not with us. Not with us. Just take it for memories.
You hear him? I got it on video. Wait, what picture are you talking about? The
See
tower.
Mosque? Yeah. No,
We
the
already
mosque.
went there.
Yeah, that's the half-built mosque. It's not completed. And
It's so big, even though it's not complete.
I know.
Not the same guy.
No, his boat was over there. We're going back over to Rabat. All right, we're back on Rabat side. It's a lot busier here than it was a little while ago. All right, guys, we did a boat twice. We did popcorn, we did ice cream, we did a little Cora, we did a little airplane. It's time to wrap up the night. I'm tired. And people are still going. I'm ready to go in. All right, guys, Bislama.
Peace.